Welcome to Damage Undone's how-to video. Today we're going to repair this dented and cracked rear bumper on a Suzuki Swift. Before we can start repairing the crack, we need to get the shape back into the bumper. This can be done using a hot air gun. Now that I've got the shape back into the bumper, I can sand away all the damaged paint, so we can now concentrate on the crack itself. Using a die grinder, I now groove out the crack on both sides and even round the corner. Drill several small holes, especially one at the top of the crack. These holes are going to strengthen your repair. Notice how I've also drilled 2 holes on the inner side of the bumper. I've also widened the crack to allow the Weld 2K adhesive to come through and create a stronger bond. To repair this cracked bumper, I'm going to use Weld plastic repair range. You can get a plastic cleaner, an adhesion promoter, contour film, the strengthening mesh, an application gun, and the 2K plastic repair product itself. The one we will use today has a 1.5 minute working time with a 10-minute curing time. Now to do the repair. Make sure the area is keyed with 80 to 120 grit. Clean it with the plastic cleaner. Then apply a couple of light coats of plastic primer. Allow this 10 to 15 minutes to take bite. Cut the reinforcement mesh to fit the repair. Then you can apply the 2K adhesive to the mesh. Make sure you apply enough adhesive to the mesh so that when you fix it in place, enough of the product will go through the holes and the gap that you have created. Now flip the bumper over and put some more adhesive on the other side. Use the contour sheet on top of this to flatten it all off, and don't forget to apply some underneath. In 10 minutes you can then sand this down using 120 grit and then work your way up to 180 and 240. I can now put the fixing hole back in the bumper using a step drill bit and just tidy everything else up. What I really like about this product is its ease of use, the way it sands back, the finish, and of course the strength. Before I start priming, I use some Octral 1K plastic primer to seal the raw plastic. I can now start priming, and I use Glazrit's UV primer. This is all cured with the Adhesive UV spot cure. This process takes me less than 5 minutes. I'll then apply some U-Pole guide coat. This will show me any high or low spots. I sand this back with some 400 and finish it off with some 800 wet and dry. Now everything's primed, I can paint it with my Octral water-based system and clear coat with the Octral C450. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to DM me, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram @DamageUndone.